it's Melissa with Kerr County AC and Heating. We have a pretty special announcement to make this week. You may already be familiar with the Mitsubishi ductless or mini split systems we sell and install, but did you know that Samsung also makes HVAC products? Kerr County AC and Heating is excited to partner with Samsung to offer their WindFree products with some very cool and unique features like built-in Wi-Fi, which allows for voice control and monitoring from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection through Samsung's SmartThings app, AI Auto Mode, which monitors factors such as indoor temperature, outdoor temperature, set temperature, and operating time to learn the patterns within your home to automatically adjust system operation and maximize comfort. It also has the ability for users to remotely regulate temperature, adjust settings, receive real-time updates about performance and daily energy usage, as well as troubleshoot solutions when a repair is needed. Some other key benefits of Samsung over other brands is their wind-free cooling technology. This feature helps to maintain the desired temperature in your home, as well as eliminate cold drafts and reduce energy usage by delivering air through micro holes on the indoor unit to produce a dispersed and gentle flow of air defined as still air. And finally, a feature HVAC techs can really appreciate is their improved serviceability. The indoor unit design incorporates more interlocking components in place of threaded fasteners to reduce the time and effort it takes to install and service. This way, HVAC contractors like us can work more efficiently, saving time for our customers and for us. Samsung also has Energy Star products that are Energy Star certified, as well as a 10-year warranty with product registration. Again, we're super excited to partner with Samsung, a brand that is world-renowned for offering state-of-the-art technology. I've said a lot about their products, so now I'd like to turn it over to Samsung to tell you a little bit more themselves.